Bright Star Kingdom. Did you know is all about fun facts that make you go, wow. A crocodile cannot stick out its tongue. This is because their tongue is attached to the roof of their mouth. It helps them while eating underwater, keeping their throat closed. Did you know almonds are members of the peach family? Though we eat them as nuts, they're actually related to peaches. Both are part of the rose family and share a surprising connection. You are enjoying a distant cousin of a peach. Did you know a tiger has both striped fur and striped skin? Even if you shaved a tiger, its stripes would still be there. Each tiger's pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Did you know the average person takes about 7 minutes to fall asleep? It's true. Most people drift off in just a few minutes of hitting the pillow. This process is called the sleep onset, where your body relaxes and slows down. Did you know peanuts are not actually nuts? They are legumes, just like beans and lentils. Unlike nuts that grow on trees, peanuts grow underground in pods. This makes them unique in the world of snacks and nutrition. Did you know a lightning bolt is 5 times hotter than the sun? While the sun's surface reaches around 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 5,500 degrees Celsius, lightning can hit about 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit, 27,760 degrees Celsius. Did you know the sun is large enough to fit 1 million Earths inside it? This massive star accounts for about 99.86% of the total mass of our solar system. Did you know a shrimp's heart is located in its head? Unlike many animals, shrimp have their hearts positioned above their stomachs. This unique anatomy helps them pump blood efficiently throughout their bodies. Did you know your ears and nose will never stop growing? As we age, the cartilage in these parts continues to grow and change. This is why some people seem to have larger ears and noses as they get older. It's a natural part of the aging process. Did you know the only place bees don't live is in Antarctica? These amazing pollinators thrive in almost every environment around the world. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem by helping plants reproduce. Did you know caterpillars have 12 eyes? They possess simple eyes, called ocelli, in addition to their main compound eyes. These extra eyes help them detect light and movement in their environment. Did you know slugs have 4 noses? They actually have 2 pairs of tentacles that serve as sensory organs. The upper pair helps them see, while the lower pair is used for smelling. Did you know the Earth is made up of 70% water? This vast amount includes oceans, rivers, lakes, and even underground water. Water is essential for all forms of life and helps regulate our climate. Did you know kangaroos cannot walk backwards? Their unique body structure and large tails make it difficult for them to move in rivers. This is one reason they are featured on the Australian coat of arms, symbolizing progress. Did you know female toads do not croak? Only male toads make the characteristic croaking sounds to attract mates. The females are typically quieter and focus on laying eggs. Did you know all babies are born with blue eyes? Most infants start life with blue or grayish eyes due to low melanin levels. As they grow, their eye color can change depending on the amount of melanin produced. Did you know an octopus has 9 brains? They have one central brain and a small brain in each of their 8 arms. This unique setup allows each arm to operate independently and perform complex tasks. Did you know an octopus has blue blood? Their blood contains a copper-rich protein called hemocyanin, which gives it a blue color. This adaptation helps them transport oxygen more efficiently in cold, low-oxygen environments. Did you know a sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour? That's faster than most cars on the highway. Sneezing is the body's way of clearing irritants from the nose and throat. Did you know male seahorses are the ones that have babies? In a fascinating role reversal, the male carries the fertilized eggs in a pouch until they hatch. Did you know it is completely silent in space? This is because sound waves need a medium, like air or water, to travel through. Since space is a vacuum, there's no air for sound to carry, making it eerily quiet. Did you know there are more than 1,000 different types of bats? These incredible creatures make up about 20% of all mammal species. Bats can be found in nearly every part of the world, except extreme deserts and polar regions. Thanks for watching Bright Star Kingdom. Subscribe, like and share with friend and family.